back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Boys, it's a new year. First video on the channel of the new year. You know what they say, boys? New year, new me. Not today! Today it's a new year, old brand for kind of what we're unboxing, boys. We're bringing it back to the basics. Back to what you got, I don't know, people have been asking me to do it, so I thought this is a good time to unbox this, actually, because I actually wasn't going to on video. Boys, thumbs up, comment down below for NameBran. Boys, that would help a lot, of course, before we get into this, man, which I'm very, very excited about. NameBranFam.com, link is down below. Get your 2 free pieces of jewelry on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. It should be getting updated on stock as we speak, so hopefully it is. Check it out down below. Without further ado, boys, we got a dang sneaker unboxing, man. Now I actually bought these personally for myself. We got them right here. I thought I'd unbox them though, because lately a lot of you guys have been saying, actually for the past 5 years since I quit doing sneaker videos, Brad, bring back the sneaker videos, is pretty much what you've been saying. So this is me kind of just unboxing a new pickup. I think it's gonna be dope. I've been looking, you know what, I'll show you my old shoes real quick, because this is a special day. So what we're unboxing are shoes that I'm actually gonna wear. Now, first off, this is what I've been wearing. It's time to switch it up. I've had these for probably 10 years now, bro. I've been wearing them consistently for about 3. I wear shoes till they're beat, then I buy new ones, even though I've had every cool Yeezy ever to exist pretty much, like multiple of them over years. I've never worn them. I made customs with them, or like what you guys say, destroy them. So this is crazy, bro. I don't get new shoes often. These are the old puppies, Puma discs, if you guys are wondering. These ones that I'm about to unbox aren't Puma discs, but I usually go for these. These are my favorite. Quick twist of the nip, boys, and you're ready to go. You know what I mean? That's what tightens them. It's insane. Anyway, boys, with that, let's get into it. Leave your comments down below, bro. The reason I'm unboxing this, like I said, people have been saying sneaker videos again, but also, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, if you actually, oh yeah, I feel like it goes with the fashion. We do jewelry on this channel, a bunch of other stuff, the random stuff. If you guys aren't into it, we won't do it again, but this is insane. Boy, oh, I forgot to say, these don't come with a box. I got them for 200 bucks from a seller, and that's, I think I saw on StockX, which sells sneakers, these go for like 600 bucks almost, or something like that. So super big steal for not having a box. Here we go, boys. These have actually been on my list to have forever. I think I had the black, oh no, I know I had the black parent before. Of course, we destroyed them. Boys, here we go. Oh, it's like Christmas. Boys, you don't understand, man. Not having new shoes for years is just what I like to do. It's cool getting the new one. Boys, the Y3 Adidas. Oh, it comes with the damn bag. This is sick. So there's laces here. Dude, this is such a throwback. The Y3 Adidas, the Yamja. Sorry, I didn't mean to, like, that sounded really insensitive. Yamja. It says it right there, bro. I don't know. I'm dyslexic as it is. It doesn't help that it's a tricky one. Bro, what the f is this? I've held these many times, boys. I actually used to do a lot of legit checking, never on these, but with the Yeezys especially, I got really good at it. Just handling so many pairs and that being my job for a while. Not legit checking for people, but legit checking for myself and buying things. I've held these a lot, going to sneaker cons. Now I'm freaking out, bro. The material seems off. Bro, that was, what the f, bro? Hold on, let me bring you through my mind for a sec. Maybe I'm having PTSD from being scammed all the time, boys. Right here, the material feels off, boys. That's one thing I will say. This does not seem right. The shape seems a little weird to me. Adidas doesn't send things with glue marks like that, bro. Oh, not in the new house. One thing you bitch. These idiots can't, so I just had to turn off for a second. I'm gonna show the photo in a second. This is something that, this is just, don't take my advice, but don't take my advice. This right here, bro, you see this, it's the simple little things that the fake companies, now you guys have to let me know, I don't know if people know how to frick. My cat's down here, sorry cat. This right here, the simple little things, this is what companies will not usually, correct me if I'm wrong, bro, but I just checked the photos online, and they all show the real shoe, and now I'm scuffing it, Great, can't take them back, I'm sure now. The photos online prove my actual point after searching. Right here, boys, it's a little low. It's the little details like that. That's a little higher, it shows that on photos. This is supposed to be a little lower, not that low. Now here's where it comes in. It doesn't match the other side at all. These are the perfect size, right? That's the matching side. That's not real! It's a scamming part, bro. 200 bucks, we can make it back. It's not a big deal. It's a scamming part, bro. I chit-chatted this guy back and forth a little bit of times, too. I'm getting hot down here, man. I turned off the frickin'... Turn off the AC. It was making noise for this video. That doesn't check up. That's like the main thing. Now I know they're fake. This right here I was looking at, it's supposed to have crap stitching. I don't even know whose job that was. Look at, let's say, like I'm saying, the real ones do too. Now I'm pissed off over that. I can't be pissed off because the person who made these is genius. But come on, guys, dude, let's just put crappy stitching on this. Let's cover up the Y3 and call it cool. Careful what you say, Brand. RIP. These are from Off-White, no? Y3? I can't remember. Anyway. Yeah, they're fake. They're 100% fake. They're 100% fake. They don't match up to any frickin' photos I've just looked at online. The shape's even off. And what I did on camera too, I set them down. This part right here, I'm not even gonna take the time to show you guys because it's that stupid, broke the box. Oh wait, it wasn't a shoebox anyway. Okay, sorry, frick, I'm not thinking. This right here, when you lay it down, it's got a different curve than every of the real pairs online as well. They're fake.